You're such a...
Take 2! Who should I dedicate this to?
Mike.
This is going on Facebook. What happens when he's not here? Ready?
Yes, this is going to Nairo.
Oh my God. Let's go, it's fun.
Remember the song. Remember the song.
Remember the song. Remember the song when she goes in. Remember the song. Remember the song. So what we did.
Oh my God.
Okay, so weed. Okay. This would be done better with weed. Oh. Okay.
Can you just go already? I'm getting impatient.
I'm scared. I don't want to hurt myself.
I'm gonna zoom you in then. I'm zooming you in. Up. Oh!
Oh!
I can't get this in position. It's so blurry. Oh my God! I forgot to zoom in. Now we zoom out. I forgot to zoom out.
Ah! You're scared to jump the trash can. This should be censored.
Beep, beep.
Jump in the trash can. With the cat.
Oh my God. So what we get drunk.
So what? We smoke weed.
We're just having fun.
Who cares? You can see.
You said it wrong.
I'm sorry.
Don't be sassy on me.
Don't be sassy. Sassy.
Those garbage cans over there smell, just letting you know.
Yeah. That's
Like, you don't even want to stand next to it. It's just like 5 minutes later, all you like smell is this stench, and it's like kind of horrible. Just letting you know. Okay, go now.
You and me, trash can.
I just got a mosquito bite.
You and me, trash can. But watch the camera die.
Take 5. Epic fail! I just caught your vagina.
Get over it now. Help! 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 I need help! No help! And this was dedicated to Mike. Seriously?
Yeah. And it's you humping a trash can? Like, no.
No! Help me! I can't get out the trash can!
I'll help you. Meh. 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 Meh.
Now you try to jump it.
I can't do it. That failed. Okay.